Hello, good afternoon. My name is Alvaro, and this is my final project for the FAU class of Full Stack Web Development for the spring 2024 semester. For my final project, I decided to make a web app that includes a forum where anybody can talk about cookies called the Ultimate Cookie Forum. This web app includes HTML, CSS, um, React, and JavaScript, and for its database, it uses Supabase. So in my site, you have a couple of functions such as submit post, sort post by upvotes, search post by title, and you can even go back to the home menu where we are now. Here you can see a couple of cards or posts where users have already submitted information, and you can even submit a post yourself. So here you can say, I like cookies. I said that. And here you can say, I really like them. Do you? Submit. And they will appear right here. As stated before, my site uses Supabase to keep track of all the entries. Each entry has its own elements such as the timestamp, title, author, description, number of upvotes, and comments. You can sort posts by the number of upvotes they have. So if you click here, it will sort them from least to greatest, and if you click it again, it would do the opposite. You can search posts by title. So here, if I do I like cookies, it will bring up the only post with the matching title. Here, if you click upvotes, it will upvote a post, meaning it will gain some traction. And each individual post has two options, edit post and more info. If you click more info, it will take you to its individual page where you can see more information about it, and you can even leave a comment saying, I agree. And it will appear here. Any updates will reflect in my Supabase database. And if you click edit posts, you can either delete them or re-edit them. So if you click delete, it will completely get rid of it. But if you click edit and submit, so I edited this post. I did this, edited. It will reflect the changes. And yeah, this is my front end. Um, as once again stated before, I use Supabase for my project. This keeps track of all my elements that I need to show to a user. And for my backend, I use HTML, CSS, React, and JavaScript. My main app basically consists of the header to say hello to my user, and then I include some links which brings the user to either the home page or submit post. Here in create posts, I have the following code in order to create a new post. So these push information out to Supabase. This handles changes from the user inputs over here. In edit post, basically the same thing. It updates or deletes, and here's the fields to change. And post detail basically calls to database and gets all the information from a specific post using use params. And in read posts, it basically just gathers more information and does the sorting. So search by title, sorting, and yeah, if there's no information, it will say just no available posts. And in card, it basically gets information for an individual post, and it will display information about it. So thank you for being here, and I hope you liked my project.